This is very serious, guys. Come on. You're eating, Ridley.
Oh, it's boogers.
Something study.
Oh yeah. We're studying.
Marine. Hi, this is Tomas Dozier, and I'm sending greetings to you from Sable's campus in Costa Rica. This is an invitation for you to come and join us during our STAD course. STAD stands for Sustainable Tropical Agriculture and Development. So how we can look at sustainability through economic development that helps out communities in need. Amazing course. We see a lot. We live on a 37-acre cloud rainforest campus where you get to see and explore natural flora and fauna. But then we also do incredible trips around Costa Rica in its rich, ecologically diverse conditions. One of our trips I would like to highlight in this following video is a trip where we go off to the Caribbean Ocean. Eventually we end up there and we visit 3 amazing farms.
The first farm visit is the Santa Lucia Experimental Farm of the National University of Costa Rica. This is a very diverse farm with a lot going on. We get to visit an agroforestry project, a demonstration area. Their coffee production area where they teach students how to manage coffee crops. The dairy cattle herd, which they're milking, again, teaching their students how to manage dairy herds. We get to taste goat's milk yogurt from their working goat dairy.
I am Aaliyah and I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and my highlight from the Caribbean trip was swimming in the Caribbean and exploring a sunken ship. You should take this course. It is so fun. The people are really cool. We get to have a good time. We get to have deep discussions. There's so much nature that I didn't even really understand was real until I went to Costa Rica. It's just a great way to spend your month learning and having fun.
The next visit is to Catier, which is one of a network of about a dozen international crop research centers worldwide. The first stop at Catier is their botanical garden, which features many different kinds of tropical fruit. We got to kind of snack our way through there. Next, we drive through their cacao and coffee collections, where they maintain about 2,500 varieties of coffee and cacao for genetic diversity of those crops. And then we close with a visit to the seed vault, where over 6,000 varieties of seeds are maintained for long-term storage at minus 20 degrees centigrade.
Hi, my name is Jonas and I'm from Indiana. And my favorite parts about the Caribbean trip were going to the beach and spending time there. It's nice to take a break from all the studying and get a chance to relax. But while we were there, we also still learned about how agricultural systems are interconnected, such as the cacao industry and the history behind that. And overall, I just had a great time in this class and highly recommend it.
You should try one.
It tastes like
Mangoes.
The final farm visit is to a small cacao farm in the village of San Clemente on the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica. We were able to see frosty pod rot damage on many pods on the cacao trees in the plantation. The good news is that there is an effort underway to develop disease-resistant varieties of cacao. Much of that work is being spearheaded by Catier, based on their collection of cacao varieties that we were able to see when we visited their farm.
They take the husk, right? And they come in here, and the first process is the mucilage around the beans that when we were sucking, that actually needs to ferment.
After visiting the cacao farm, the students were able to experiment with making and tasting chocolate using cacao beans that had been picked earlier. They had to undergo a fermentation stage and then drying in the sun and finally roasting before they could be made into chocolate.
Mixture, right? And making it huge. Wow. Whoa.
Like a dark chocolate.
Bitter.
Like a
Really?
Bitter.
like an 80%.
Hello, my name is Ridley DeSoto. I'm from Santa Barbara, California. And one thing that I really like about Sable and this trip that I got to go on is how when we take our like little mini vacations to different parts of Costa Rica, the professors and our leader will stop and talk about the different kinds of agriculture that's growing along the street, like pineapples, yucca, cassava. They'll also stop the van and let us try like really cool cultural street foods, and that's been a main highlight of my trips thus far, and I really like it.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Michigan, and my highlight of the Caribbean trip was getting to see all the cool animals out of the different places we went. Like at Cartier, we saw coatis.
Oh yeah.
We also saw a toucan at our visit at the National University. Getting to learn about all the different tropical agriculture that we've seen and getting to try it all was really fun.
While the course is demanding with 4 university credits in 3 weeks, there's still some time for recreation. Students get to experience swimming in the Caribbean Ocean, jungle walks at night, zip lining through rainforest jungle canopy, soaking in hot springs, and enjoying lots of good Costa Rican cuisine and other aspects of Costa Rican culture.
So if you're interested in sustainability, agriculture, development, biology, ecology, environmental studies, environmental education in a cross-cultural experience, this class is definitely for you. You'll see all these connections happen in real life. Also, if you're a non-science major, this could also be an incredible way for you to see the connections of science and your particular field of study. So if any of these topics sound of interest to you, then this course is for you. Hope to see you soon in Costa Rica.